This is Tim Willis with ClickFunnels and Click Designs, and so here we're looking at a 2-column row in ClickFunnels 2.0. Actually, we're looking at 3 2-column rows in ClickFunnels 2.0. And on the desktop, they look all great. And we all know that 2-column rows are pretty common on web pages and sales funnels. But a little problem happens when we go to the mobile view. We've got a picture, text, and then text, text, and a picture and a picture. It just has to do with the way that the mobile view renders things, but there's an easy fix to this. Let's go back to the desktop and let's look at our rows again. So we've got an image on the left, and then an image on the right, and an image on the left. And that's kind of what's causing our problems, because in truth, what the mobile view is doing, it's taking exactly what we put on the screen and putting it in order. It's putting an image, it's putting text, it's putting text, putting an image, and then putting some text. In fact, the mobile view is replicating exactly what we have on the desktop screen. So how do we fix this? Well, it's very easy to fix. We're going to go to this middle picture here, and we're going to duplicate it by clicking the clone button. And then we are going to make one of these a desktop only. The other one we're going to make mobile only. And once you click on something on the desktop and make it mobile, it immediately shoots over to the mobile view. So let's take a look at what we have now. So there's picture and text, and picture and a picture. So what we want to do with this second picture that's now at the mobile only picture is we're going to grab it and we're going to move it up right here to the corresponding text. And now when we look in there, we've got a picture, text, picture, text, picture, text. We're going to do one final check here. So we got picture, text, text, picture, picture, text. So on the mobile view, because the way we rearrange things, we got picture, and then text, a picture, and then text, and then a picture, and then text. Now the one other thing you might want to note here, on the first and third columns mobile, we only have so much space here, but because of the way we did things in the middle there, we probably need to take our headline there and move it up some, so it kind of looks like it matches the others. And it needs to come up just a bit more. 50. Yeah, I think 50 is going to do it. Yeah, it looks about right. And we'll go ahead and save before we mess it up. Go back to the desktop, and everything looks good here. And everything looks good on the mobile. So that's how you can work with your 2-column rows and make them look consistent going from the desktop to the mobile view. And this is a really important thing, because I forget what the percentages is, but it's something like over half people view web pages on their phone. And so that's the way a lot of shopping and information is gotten these days. You want to make sure your mobile view always looks good. And this is Tim Willis with ClickFunnels Click Designs. I'm a certified ClickFunnels professional. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.